If you're studying for the INBDE, I highly recommend INBDE Bootcamp, an all-in-one study resource that will help you pass your exam. Use coupon code MENTALDENTAL for 10% off. Hey everyone, Dr. Ryan here. I hope you're having a great day so far, and welcome back to my channel. Most of the students that I work with, either through mentorship or tutoring, struggle with something called procrastination. And from time to time, I have to be honest, I do too. Procrastination is the act of unnecessarily delaying tasks despite knowing that there might be some negative consequences associated with that. Well, what are some of the consequences? Putting things off can increase your stress, can cause anxiety or guilt. Low self-esteem can damage some relationships with people who resent you for not finishing things by a certain deadline or not meeting expectations, and can also cause you to produce lower quality work. What are the reasons behind procrastination? Well, perfectionism is one, feeling overwhelmed, fear, anxiety, all of those are possible reasons. People also think that procrastination has to do with laziness or lack of motivation, but the truth is that's not true at all. Procrastination is really just your brain's way of avoiding discomfort. When you look at a big task like studying for the INBDE, your brain immediately imagines the hours of effort and confusion and stress that can come from studying. So instead of facing that discomfort, your brain looks for the nearest, easiest escape, which could be checking your phone, scrolling on social media, or suddenly realizing that your room needs to be cleaned and vacuumed or your car needs to be washed. You get the idea. So how do you overcome procrastination? Well, the key isn't to wait for motivation, because motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes depending on how you feel that day. What actually works is momentum. And momentum begins the moment that you start. So one simple strategy that can totally change the game around your studying habits is what I'll call the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself you're only going to study for 5 minutes. That's it, just 5. It's such a small commitment that your brain doesn't actually resist it. You might open your notes, read a paragraph, maybe watch a short video, or part of a video if it's one of my videos, because there's not too many that are shorter than 5 minutes, or review a set of flashcards, for example. All of those things can be done well under 5 minutes. But here's the trick. Once you start, your brain switches from avoidance mode to action mode. Those 5 minutes turn into 10, into 30, and before you realize it, you've been studying for a whole hour. The hardest part was simply starting, and that's the secret. Action first, motivation second, not the other way around. So next time that you feel that resistance, that little voice telling you, I'll just do it later, don't fight it with guilt. Just lower the bar, lower the threshold for yourself. Tell yourself, I can do 5 minutes, that's easy. You'll often find that that's all it takes to overcome the initial inertia. And look, if you end up only studying for 5 minutes and you don't do anything beyond that, well, that's better than nothing. That's still some progress that you made. You're still building the habit of showing up, which is what success in studying is really all about. Over time, those small wins will compound on each other. 5 minutes becomes an hour becomes a whole day of solid focus and studying, and those consistent days will build confidence for your exam. You'll start realizing you don't need to feel ready to do great things, you just need to start. So the next time you catch yourself procrastinating, don't wait for motivation to randomly find you. Set a timer, start small, and remind yourself you don't need to do everything right now. You just need to start something right now. And that's how you beat procrastination. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I loved doing it from the beautiful and now cold Carolinas. If you did enjoy the video, please consider liking it below, subscribing to my channel Mental Dental for more tips and tricks like this, and leaving a comment below what you'd like to see from me next. Until next time, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.